Hey everyone, I'm Maya, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations. You know, Ethan, people often think that steam showers are just for homes or luxury spas. But what most don't realize is that behind every commercial steam room, the ones in hotels, health clubs, and resorts, there's a serious powerhouse running the show.
Exactly, and today we're diving into one of those true workhorses, the Steamist HC series by Delta Faucet. It's a commercial-grade steam generator designed for non-stop performance. The kind of unit that runs all day, every day without breaking a sweat.
So whether you manage a spa, gym, or wellness center, or you're just curious how large-scale steam systems actually work, this one's worth your attention.
Let's start with what makes it special. The HC series isn't just a bigger residential generator, it's an entirely different class. These systems are built for continuous duty operation, meaning they can run for hours on end, multiple times a day, without downtime.
Each unit ranges from 9 to 48 kilowatts, and if you need even more power, you can connect multiple units together in tandem. That scalability makes it ideal for multi-room installations, like luxury hotels with several steam suites running at once.
And thanks to the stainless steel tank and industrial-grade heating elements, you're looking at long-term durability, corrosion resistance, and steady output for years.
Now here's what sets the HC series apart: proportional steam output. Instead of cycling completely on and off like older models, it modulates power gradually, maintaining perfect temperature control while saving energy.
That means no harsh temperature swings, no sudden bursts of steam, just a smooth, balanced environment from start to finish. Plus, the unit's standby mode and automatic fill and drain cycles optimize efficiency even further.
Translation: your maintenance team saves time, your energy bills stay lower, and your guests enjoy a flawless steam experience every single time.
Of course, all that performance wouldn't mean much without control. The HC series integrates with Delta's advanced commercial digital controls, including the digital touchscreen systems.
These allow operators to manage temperature, steam duration, and scheduling, right from the steam room or remotely through a connected facility system. Imagine adjusting the steam room at a luxury resort from your central control room. That's exactly what this system allows.
There's also a built-in diagnostic panel that keeps track of the generator's status and alerts technicians before any issue becomes serious. So it's not just smart, it's proactive.
Now, when it comes to installation and maintenance, the HC series was designed with professionals in mind. Its compact footprint, front service access, and pre-wired panels make setup straightforward, and everything is accessible from one side for easier service.
The unit also comes standard with automatic drain, which automatically flushes water after each use to prevent mineral buildup and extend tank life. It's one of those features that quietly keeps your system running clean, day after day.
You'll find the HC series powering steam rooms in health clubs, high-end hotels, wellness resorts, and boutique spas, places where reliability isn't optional.
It's trusted in facilities that need round-the-clock operation. And because it's backed by Delta Faucet, you're working with a brand that's known for precision engineering, customer support, and product longevity.
Now, if you're comparing options, how does the HC series stack up against other commercial systems like Mr. Steam CX or Thermasol Power Pack?
The Mr. Steam CX leads in modular flexibility and smart IoT integration, while Thermasol's Power Pack shines in residential luxury tech. But the Delta Steamist HC series, it's built with one focus: commercial reliability. It's rugged, stable, and designed to perform for years with minimal maintenance.
So if your priority is consistency, longevity, and ease of service, this one might just be the best fit for your facility.
The Steamist HC series by Delta Faucet is more than a generator. It's the backbone of professional steam performance. Powerful, efficient, and built to deliver a 5-star experience every time.
If you're planning a commercial spa or upgrading an existing system, the HC series should definitely be on your shortlist. You'll find links to all 3 series below in the description, along with our full Delta Faucet steam shower collection on Opulent Recreations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews on other top steam shower and sauna brands. And if you'd like more real-world insights, installation tips, or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint, where homeowners, designers, and spa lovers come together to share ideas. I'm Maya, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.